Oh my gosh, I don't know exactly how good this is gonna work because I'm using my phone, but I'm gonna try. I'm not just gonna serve, of course, but that's okay. Yeah, so today, what happened? I went with my friends, and that was pretty interesting. And during show choir, we were dancing, and we learned about precipitation and meteorology. Yeah, oh, God, yeah. So I'm sitting here, bored, kind of depressed, for some weird reason. Thinking, my birthday is on Friday, and it is Tuesday, Biscuits tomorrow night, exciting, Thursday's Anime Club, Saturday, Matt's homecoming, excited, and then Sunday, celebrating my birthday with the family. Oh my gosh, it's so good. That's about it. Bye!